wants to lead us in a prayer? Anyone? Grace, you want? Amen. Oh, before you settle down, psychology says that 8 hugs per day can release and can release stress and also can make a person mentally healthy. So I want you to give 8 hugs to those person inside this classroom. That's okay? Yes, ma'am. Go. Okay, since everyone received a hug, you may take your seat. And Miss Colleen, Miss Secretary, you already take note those absence today. The absent ma'am. Okay, nice. Thank you. And for our classroom rules, do you still remember this one? When we make this classroom rules from our first day of class? Yes. So always put this on our minds. Okay. So before we start with our new lesson, we will first review back again our last discussion. Do you still remember it? Yes. Yes. Okay. So to check if you really remember it, I have here an activity for you where it is entitled Where Do I Belong? Direction. Put me means this rational algebraic expressions where column I belong. Maybe it is simplified or not simplified. Do you get it? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So who wants to answer the number 1? Anyone? Rhea? Okay. Thank you, Rhea. Number 2. Memories. Number 3. March. Thank you, March. So, are you sure that this column is a simplified one? Are you sure? It's a simplified one. Maybe? Yes, why Colleen? Yes. It is not simplified. Okay, we will just answer it later. Okay, for this one, number 2, do you think it really belongs to not simplified one? Alright. No. Because
it is already simplified because there's no this nothing you can solve.
yes, there is nothing you can factor out or you can simplify it to make it simplified. For the number 3, are you sure?
No.
No. Why here? answered. Thank you, Mark. For the number 3, who answered this one? Mark. So, who do you want to your classmate and you answer him? Yes. Yes, very good, Colleen. So I think some of you remembers that lesson, but some didn't. So um, let us all review this one time. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And for our next activity, I want you to exercise more before we get into our new lesson. So, I have put papers under your chairs. Okay, and those papers who got with word congratulations, you will be the one to answer my questions. It is all right? Yes, ma'am. May you also pass if you don't know the answer. Okay. So, Rhea, 4 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 1/2. 1/2. That is right. Thank you. Colleen, 6 over 9 minus 3 over 9 is equal to,
I don't know, ma'am. Pass, ma'am.
so who won?
Miss
Rhea. 1/3, ma. 1/3. Again, are you sure? Again. 6 over 9 minus 3 over 9.
1/3, ma'am. Yes. The answer is 1/3.
1/3. Okay. Yes, that is correct. For last congratulations. 3 minus 10. 10 over 3 over 10 minus 2 over 10 is equal to 1 over 10. Okay. So what you have learned from those fractions? They are what? What you can observe.
Ma'am,
Yes.
based the given fractions, ma'am, I observed that it has the same denominators.
They are with the same denominators. So that's it. And we will be using that also for our next activities and for our new discussion. Okay. So before we start with our discussion, I have here another activity for you. So I have here a scrambled letters. So do you think what is the number 1? Very great. Rational. Rational. So may you put it there. Rational. So for the number 2, March,
Algebraic.
algebraic. For the number 3, Colleen,
Expression.
expression. Very good, everyone. So, with this activity, do you think, what is our lesson for the day? Ria?
It's about rational algebraic expression.
Yes, it is all about rational algebraic expression. But we will be focusing only now on how to add or subtract similar rational algebraic expression. That is the connection of the fractions that we got from activity earlier, that it is with the same denominators. Because now we were dealing with same denominators rational algebraic expressions. Here. So, I have here another activity for you to be exercise board. So, I will group you into 4. Please count out.
1, 2, 3,
4. Okay. So, I have here these envelopes. And these envelopes have different here. And also, it have the guide, the directions, the worksheet, and the answers. I mean the worksheet that you need to be answered. Okay, you get it? So you will be with this activity in 5 minutes. Group 1, Group 3, Group 4. Go on with your activity now, and those who will be with the right answers will receive a prize. Everyone is done?
Yes, ma'am.
And the 5 minutes has over. So I'll have your papers. Since Group 1 done reporting the work, let us give Group 1 the Angali block. You know that Angali block?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let me demonstrate it to you. You will just clock 1, 2, 3, then say, ang galing, galing, galing mo. Okay, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, ang galing, galing, galing mo. Okay, so also, since Group 2 done the reporting, let's give them another ang galing clock. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing, galing, galing mo. And for our Group 3, since they are also done with the reporting, let us give them the ang galing clock. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing, galing, galing mo. Okay, and for our last group, who is also done in the reporting, let us give them also the ang galing clap. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing, galing, galing mo. Okay. So now, it is time to check your answers. And since you're done checking your answers, what are the things you have learned with our group activity? What are the things you have learned with our group activity? Yes, Rhea?
We know how to add similar algebraic expressions.
Yes. Rhea said that we now know how to add or subtract rational algebraic expression. So, to deepen more our understanding of it, I have here a song for you. So, do you know the song Making Melodies?
No,
Slightly.
no,
No. Okay. So, this song is a math version song. Okay. So, I'll first demonstrate this song to you. Then afterwards, we will sing it together. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And 1, 2, 3, go, start. Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Then, it is also repeated now. The tone of the song. So, do you get that now, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us all stand up and sing together this song. And 1, 2, 3, go. Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Copy that denominator. So, I have here set of rational algebraic expressions, and I will copy that denominator as the lyric says. Okay, sing again. Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Add or subtract the numerator. So I will add the numerator since the sign is add. Okay. That is the final answer. So we will now add the lyrics into one, two, three, go. Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Okay, come with me, March. Come here. Okay. So you will be answering the number two by also singing. Okay. Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Copy the denominator. Next, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings. Add or subtract the numerator. song again.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings.
Simplify your answer. Okay.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings.
Copy the denominator.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings.
Add or subtract the numerator.
Making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart for the King of Kings.
Simplify your answer if possible, but since it is also okay, so do you all sit down? Do you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes. So now, what are the things you have learned from the song? Yes, Rhea.
I think, Mom, from the song, we learned the process of adding or subtracting similar algebraic expression.
Yes. We learned through the song how to add and subtract singular, rational, and free expression. So another. What are the things you learned from the song? Marge? Same with Rhea. Celine?
Aside from adding or subtracting similar algebraic expression, if possible, we simplify it.
We simplify it if possible. Okay, Grace, you have something to say? What are the things you learned from the song? None. Are you sure?
I learned from our discussion of if the given is in the it not is simplified for the copy.
I think Mary Grace want to point out that we need to copy the denominator of the rational algebraic expression. Okay. So now I have here a learning phrase for you. There are also a question inside this learning frame, and you will answer it. Okay?
Yes.
Please answer it in 1 minute. One minute is already done. So, what are your answers? Rhea?
From the learning frame, it is stated here
that based on the sum, what are the steps in adding and subtracting similar algebraic expression? From the sum, ma'am, the steps is first copy the denominator, second is add and subtract the numerator, third simplify your answer if possible. Yes, that is correct. I think everyone got the same answer with Rhea. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay, so may you pass your papers? Okay, so now I want you to find your partner. Find your partner. Okay, so I have here a handkerchief for you to put it on your eyes. Just one per group. Because one will act as a blind and one will act as a guide. So I have here, listen class, so I have here a worksheet for you which is entitled Amaze Me. This worksheet is for you to answer, which is one is blind and one is as guide. The guide will only give the directions, wherein she or he can only say go down, go up, go straight, turn right, and turn left. And this maze also has a start and has a end. Okay, you got that? Yes, ma'am. So I have here colors for you, for the blind to write. Please remember to put colors. Remember to put the colors carefully because it cannot be erased. Okay? To get that class? Yes, ma'am. Work on that for 3 minutes. Okay. Are you sure? We're done now. Okay. For those who are done, may you pass on your papers. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So I think anyone in the group got the correct answer. Because the correct answer is letter S, where it starts here. That's it. Okay. So, class, what do you think? I let you conduct this activity. Yes, Rhea. I think, ma'am, we let us conduct this activity for us to be able to appreciate our senses, especially those our sense of seeing and our sense of hearing. And also, we will be able to appreciate what God has given us. But we should not be proud on having this goal. We should be, and we should take care of this, and we should also not make fun of those persons with this ability, especially those who do not have their eyes and do not have their ears to listen. And because if in this world, if you don't want to help people, then at least don't hurt them. Always put in mind that if you cannot lend your helping hand to those persons or to other persons in your circle, at least do not lend your hurtful hands for them. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I have here a exit sheet for you to answer. After this, if you're done answering, you may go home. And our assignments will be passed on our GC. Please answer it silently without cheating and you're done.